Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn list in Python. List. A list is a sequence of values. They can be any data type. The values of a list are called elements or item. To create a list, you need to create a variable, okay, a equal to, and then you need to put a square bracket, which is the list denoted as square brackets. Inside it, you can type any data type, say stuff as a string, then 1 to 3 as an integer, 12.4 as float, okay? Then print, and you will get a list inside it. The values are elements of 1 to 3 and 12.4. Then to check the variable data type, then type like this inside the print function and create one more parenthesis. Inside it, put the variable name. Then you will get class list, which means a variable holds list data type value. Okay, let's talk about empty list. A list that contains no element or no item is called an empty element. Say empty list. Say to create an empty list, b equal to a set of square brackets, then print b and you will get a list, which is a set of brackets. This set of square brackets. Inside there is no values or no elements, no items, so is known as an empty list. Nested list. A list that is an element of another list is called nested list. For example, let's say nested, like this, a variable name nested equal to a set of square bracket. Inside it say 1 2 3, then put comma and create one more square bracket. Inside the square brackets say 1 2 3 one more time, say 1 2 3 one more time, then print the nested and you will see a nested list. A list inside another list is known as nested list. Accessing list. Accessing the element of a list is same as for accessing the characters of a string, that is the bracket operator. The expression inside the brackets specify the index the indices start at 0. Okay, let's create a variable, say fruit equal to a set of square bracket. Inside it say double quotes mango, then comma, say apple, then comma, then say banana, like this. To access the mango, you need to type like this: print fruit, the variable name, then one more square bracket. Inside it, you need to put the position or indexing value. Here, indexing starts from 0, so the mango is in first, but you need to put 0 to access mango. Here, I just use print function. Inside it, the variable fruit, then a set of square brackets, which means to access a particular element or item, you need to use bracket operator. Inside it, I'm just giving a index value, which means index value is 0, which means mango. Okay, print and you will get a mango. Okay, to access apple, say print fruit, then a set of square bracket. Inside it, the mango is 0, then apple is 1. Okay, indexing values when and you will get apple. Say for the banana 2, print fruit, a set of square bracket, inside it 2, then you will get banana. Negative indexing. Python allows negative indexing for a sequence. The index of -1 refers to the last item, -2 to the second last item, and so on. For example, let's create a variable a equal to and set of square bracket. Inside it say a square bracket B, comma C, like this, D, D, and E. To access E, you can print like this, print a square bracket, inside it say -1, which means refers to the last item. And now print, it will print E. And for same as D, print a set of square bracket, inside it 2 and -2, which means to the second last item. Let's talk about list operation. The first list operation is concatenation operation. For example, say A equal to 1, 2, 3, like this. Then B equal to a set of square bracket, inside it 4, 5, and 6. And you can concatenate this list into one list. Say C equal to A plus B, which means and concatenation. Print C, you will get both lists inside one list, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then let's say repeat operation, which means say inside the print function C, after it say multiplication by 2 times, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look out this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It repeats the course how many times you will multiply. For example, 5 times, it will multiply 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 7, 6, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this, and so on. Well, let's talk about list slicing. In C variable, there is a list. Inside it, from 1 to 6 values are there. If you print this, you will get from 1 to 6. Okay. And I want the list start from 3. You need to do like this. You need to assign like this. In print function, after C, put a square bracket, inside it say indexing number from 0, 1, and 2, and start from 3. You need to put like this: 2, then colon, then print. You will get 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and say I need the ending value is 5, then -1, and it will give 3, 4, 5, like this. If you omit the 2, then it will automatically start from 1. Okay, hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends. Thank you.